Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss national income topic. On national income topic there will be one question, either they will ask on 2 marks or for 5 marks or 10 marks. So on a national income there will be definite one question. For national income you have to read meaning of the national income, concepts of national income and factors to be considered while measuring national income. So the meaning is national income is the market value of all final goods and services produced by various sectors in a country in a year and import from the abroad. Now, basic concepts of national income: gross national product, gross domestic product, net national product, net domestic product, per capita income, personal expenditureable income. The factors that considered while calculating national income are final consumptions of goods in monetary terms, service will be considered in national income, contributions made free of change will not be considered, goods and services produced in the previous year not be considered, national income is calculated at current prices or at constant prices, there is no inclusion of profit and loss due to price changes, illegally earned income is not considered. So these are the factors that affects national income while calculating. So national income concepts and national income meaning you have to read. We will meet again. Thank you.